Digging through options for your next garden or construction project? In this video, we're showcasing the best shovels that combine durability, comfort, and performance to make your work easier. Stay tuned to find the right tool for the job, and don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful. Number 1. Ames Long Fiberglass Handle Round Point Shovel. This long handle round point shovel from Ames punches above its weight. It features a durable steel-reinforced fiberglass handle with a padded non-slip grip for outstanding comfort and control. The steel blade has an oversized step area and an open socket that's reinforced with a steel collet. And all this comes at a value price. Though it costs about half as much as our top pick, this Ames shovel weighs just over a pound less, making it a better all-purpose option for projects that don't require heavy-duty reinforcements. The thinner steel used in the shovel head adds to its lightness but also allows it to flex slightly, so it is less aggressive in hard-packed clay soil and subject to more wear and tear in rocky ground. It's also reinforced with an inner layer of steel to help resist cracking at the stress points, but the open-back handle sock seems like a possible failure point. Number 2. Spearhead Spade SHLF2 Fiberglass Handle Shovel. When you're planting a tree or transplanting a shrub, you need a shovel that can contend with packed soil, random rocks, and tough roots. The Spearhead Spade gardening shovel is designed with those tough tasks in mind. Its unique spearhead-shaped blade is made of hardened manganese steel and features a wide step and sharp edge, allowing it to find its way naturally to the path of least resistance and slice cleanly through roots. The open back socket is reinforced with a steel collet and rubber gasket to boost strength and reduce shock. We tested the Spearhead Spade alongside similar digging tools like shovels and spades. It worked as well as any of those other hand garden tools, loosening and scooping like a digging shovel, but offering the precision of a spade. It easily cut through the thick main root coming off a parent oak leaf hydrangea, yet allowed us to keep the root ball intact for easy relocation to a new site. This model's compact, efficiently designed head and comfortable grips also make this a good choice for those with impaired strength and mobility, but the high price could be a barrier. Number 3. Danji D-Handle Mini Spade Shovel. Short-handled shovels are useful when working in tight spots, and with this mini shovel, gardeners can easily dig holes, move dirt, apply compost, or remove stubborn weeds. This flathead shovel has a strong metal shaft, a rust-resistant steel head with a sharpened edge, and a D-shaped, non-slip grip to keep your hands from cramping during work. The entire tool measures just shy of 30 inches and weighs less than 2 pounds. When this small shovel arrived, we first thought it was a toy. It's shorter than our main tester's shirt sleeves, and when the blade is buried in the soil, the top of the handle is only knee-high. But as we used it in our garden, we were surprised by how sturdily built it is. It's lightweight enough to use one-handed and feels almost like an oversized trowel or undersized spade. For most adults, it will be best for tasks like preparing soil in large containers or doing up-close work, on hands and knees, in raised beds. Number 4. Fiskars 46-inch Garden Spade Shovel. Whether the goal is to slice through thick roots, neaten up the edges of the lawn, or move a pile of compost or soil, this Fiskars flat-top garden spade is up to the task. This extremely sturdy spade weighs under 5 pounds, yet has a steel shaft, a hardened steel blade, and an extra-large D-shaped handle that's big enough for both hands. It also features a non-slip grip that increases comfort when cutting through compacted soil and clay or slicing through dense sod. The shaft on this spade is a bit longer than average, which is great for taller gardeners. However, since the shaft and the rest of this shovel are steel, it would be nice if it also had a built-in steel handle instead of an attached one made of polyresin that could fail over time. Also, while the tool is welded, the metal around strong welds can break if stressed excessively. Still, so long as it's only needed for moderate duty tasks, this will be an excellent and likely long-lasting choice. Number 5. Fiskars Ergo Trowel. Gardeners who work in raised beds or plant lots of seedlings know the value of a good garden trowel. The Fiskars Ergo Trowel is a lightweight, inexpensive tool made of rust and corrosion-resistant cast aluminum. Its ergonomic, cushioned hand grip has a textured, non-slip coating for sure-handed gardening. Despite the fact that our testers have vastly different hand sizes, this trowel felt comfortable in hand for us both. We found it useful for planting 4-inch seedlings in garden soil and repotting a range of houseplants, but the trowel's edge wasn't sharp enough for us to create clear divisions in clumps of oregano and thyme. Also, although cast aluminum resists rust and corrosion really well, it is a brittle material that breaks easily. To avoid damage, we didn't test this trowel for tasks like prying up established perennials or turning previously untilled soil. However, this is an excellent choice if you need a medium-duty trowel for working in established garden beds or with potted plants.